Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our third problem of particle physics. Okay, this is our third problem of particle physics. Let us come towards statement. What strength of magnetic field is used in a cyclotron in which protons make 3.1 into 10 raised to the power 7 revolutions per second? Okay, dear students, this term revolutions per second is called hertz, which is denoted by Hz, and its units are assumed to be per second because this is revolutions per second. So hertz has units second inverse. Okay, let us come toward the solution of this problem. We know that cyclotron frequency is given by f is equal to 1 over t, where t is time period, and we know that frequency and time period are always inversely proportional to each other. F equal to 1 over t is equal to q capital B over 2 pi m. Equation number 1, where now we explain these parameters. What are these factors? Okay, where f is the frequency, time, t time period, q charge, m mass, and B is the magnetic field. Okay, in this case, because proton is under consideration, in which protons make these revolutions per second. Okay, in this case, q is equal to charge of proton is equal to 1.602176634 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, this is a constant. This is a charge of proton is constant. Okay, m equal to mass of proton, which is again constant. Okay, these two constants can be seen from any table of physical constants. Okay, m equal to mass of proton is equal to 1.6726219239 into 10 raised to the power 27 kg. Okay, dear students, here charge of proton can be approximately written as 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 19. Similarly, mass of proton can be approximately written as 1.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 27. However, I have written the value in more length, in more detail, as it is given in the table. Okay, now f equal to frequency, which is given in this statement, which is 3.1 into 10 raised to the power 7 hertz. Okay, so in equation number 1 we have the value of f, value of q, value of m. Value of pi is always constant, 3.14. Okay, 22 by 7 is equal to pi, and we know that pi has a decimal representation which is non-repeating and non-terminating. Okay, this is a separate discussion. We do not go in this detail. Pi 3.14, remaining all values are given except B, which is magnetic field. Okay, B is to be determined. We know that hertz equal to revolutions per second or cycles per second is equal to Hz is equal to second inverse. Rearranging equation 1 as B, because we have to find out magnetic field B, so we have kept B on one side, and therefore 2 pi m will be shifted on other side of equality, and it will become on upper side, while Q will become on lower side. Okay, this is B is equal to 2 pi mf over q, and putting the values which we have mentioned above, we get B equal to this 20.33 and so on into 10 inverse kilogram per coulomb second. And from definition we know that this is the definition of Tesla. Okay, Tesla is defined as kilometer per coulomb second. So in place of kilogram per coulomb second, we can write Tesla. So this is 2.33 Tesla, because dear students, 10 raised to the power inverse when removed, it will shift decimal one step behind. So in place of 20.33, it will become 2.033. Okay, so our answer, our solution value of magnetic field has become equal to 2.033 Tesla, and this is the end of our solution. However, now we come towards reference from where we have chosen this problem. This problem has been chosen from the book Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Author is Douglas E. Giancoli. Publisher is Pearson. Its 4th edition 2009 has been adopted, and its chapter number 43, Elementary Particles, is our concerned chapter. And this problem has been enumerated as exercise number 43.3 of this book, and this is the end of our